I actually have my accounting degree from Shasta College, but I started out doing taxes. It was all about Peachtree. It was, oh no, you don't want to do QuickBooks, and you really, shun QuickBooks. And so I kind of had a bad taste in my mouth about QuickBooks, but I was doing journal entries and don't need to do that with QuickBooks. Anyway, I love QuickBooks and all my clients are on QuickBooks. When I started, I didn't know for sure if I was doing it right or not because I created each individual account separately in QuickBooks. And so there have just been little things I've had to learn along the way. But your classes have been great. And I love your spirit. I just love your attitude. Well, usually, the old cranky in the back room, grumpy bookkeeper thingy is kind of out the window with you. So it clarified so many things. Like I said, I felt like I started out kind of on a bad basis, if you will, trying to fumble my way. And I've done the pro advisor class and things like that, but you go through those things just by yourself. Like I said, the other thing is I'm by myself. So I feel like I now have somebody to bounce things off of. I don't retain everything right after going through a class, and there's so much material in there. It's been great. You have clarified a lot of things and just given me some confidence to feel like, okay, no, I do know what I'm doing. It can be overwhelming, and it's like, I'm not a dummy. I can figure this out. I've got this. And there's all these other people out there that are doing it too. So no, I think the class has been great. You're real easy to listen to, and you make it's plain and simple. It's not people assuming that you have a degree in accounting and are understanding debits and credits and all that, because QuickBooks isn't really designed that way. No, the class has been great. I like how you have it broken up so that I can go back and just look at specific things too that apply to me. Might not necessarily have to know a whole lot about how to do certain things, but other ones is you have it broken down. You don't have to sit there and thumb through the whole entire thing. I go back and go, okay, I did figure it out right. So that kind of it's a morale booster.